Alright guys, this is the MMX Modern Muscle Extreme drop-in fuel pump assembly for the 2020 and up Charger and Challenger 5.7 and 6.4. It's a single pump design. As some of you know, at 2020, that year they redesigned the fuel system on the Charger and the Challenger on the 5.7 and 6.4 platform. So you have to get a updated fuel pump assembly. Just a regular drop-in pump style will not work. You have to, even if you did get it to work somehow, it would have to be highly modified. But this is just a drop-in pump version. They do make a return style system, at least the assembly, but you still have to get lines and fuel rails and controller and all that stuff. But I'll show you more about this in a minute. Alright guys, after you just pop your rear seat out, but this one has a rear seat delete, so, but after you get that out of the way, on the 20 and up driver's side, this is what the fuel pump looks like now. On top, the main fuel line comes out of the driver's side now. On previous years, 19 and back, they came out of the passenger side, the fuel line, but the pump's still on the driver's side. So unplug this, take your lock ring off, get you one of these tools. I mean, you could do it with the chisel and the hammer, but these are pretty inexpensive. So fuel line, you just got two tabs. You just squeeze it together and then pull up. Then, you know, just unplug your plug like normal. Okay, this is what it looks like. You will unhook this line right here. It's got the squeeze tabs again. Then you'll pull the unit out. Just be careful about stuff. You do have to unplug this underneath of the fuel hat, and it is a little tricky to finesse it out of here. You just got to mess around with it, turn it, and it's just real tight fit. The fuel line down in here, you have to push it down after you unplug it. This one's for the top. Guys, this is the new one. This is what come out of it. As you can see, if you're familiar with the 19 and back 5.7 and 6.4 Hemis, on the fuel pump, the regulator's on the passenger side, and you usually have to block it off when you do a return style fuel system. So this is made onto the pump assembly. So it's a completely different setup. So on your fuel level sensor, this cover, it's over it. You just pop it off, then you can move it out here, then unplug it from the bottom, then you'll transfer it over to the new basket. The hat, you got to push it down, and there's a little ear right there. You got to bend it out of the way so you can pull the top hat out and transfer it over. Okay, put your hat on like so. You got to pop this out of the housing, but you got to be careful because this one line is attached down here. So you just kind of just pull it out like that. You don't use the spacers no more. Just put the springs on. You push it through here to bend your tab back so your lid, you know, will do what it's supposed to. So now you got to take this line, will go here. It comes with a clamp. You got to crimp it together. Then just put it all back together. Here's how your wires go up through here. Okay, to set your O-ring on her like that, put your clamp in. You can see it's got an angle to it. You could put it on both ways, but you can really tell when it's right. So, but taking it off, you just pry it backwards and it'll pop off. So just push this on there like so. Okay, after you get your regulator off of the old pump, you'll take this O-ring out. You will set that O-ring right here. Push it on, put your lock back on your pump. Put your fuel level sensor, this is what it looks like. Tighten these screws in. After you get it done, it'll go down and stop. Plug your pump in, hook your fuel line up with the supplied clamp. If you don't have a pair of pliers like this, you can use side cutters, but they're a little tricky. I need one more look at the pump before I put it in. Just push this on there, check it, it's locked into place. It'll click. It's what the assembly looks like. Alright guys, this is actually for the Venturi. You reuse this. You pop this out on your factory hat, and that little blue thing you push in here and it locks, and this will connect to where the transfer line comes over from the passenger side. This will connect there, then your line for your transfer side will connect here in the tank. This the pump that I have is actually an updated version, so that's the difference. Okay guys, got it all connected. This is the line that comes from the passenger side, connects to this Venturi that you'll reuse off the other pump. The little blue spot that the blue fitting will go in that. Then it will go around and connect to the back right there. So just got to drop it down and hook everything up. I've got the pump back in, plugged in. Just put everything back, you know, check for leaks and all that stuff. So that's it for this. Like, share, subscribe. Just tried to keep it straight to the point and simple on this. Turns out this pump is an updated version of the MMX drop-in kit. So